Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this evening is a tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, June the 7th, 2023, we have here already solved 3 puzzles. Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and the last puzzle is the tectonic with 4 stars. Number 6558. Yeah. And before I start, I always kind of print the digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. Alright. And it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, that's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. We'll see. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Do we have the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? I don't see any single boxes in this puzzle. Next question, dual boxes. Do we have here dual boxes? Is here a dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes here? No, I see here. Next question, triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. 1, 2, and 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. In this triple box, should be here. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. The inside box, 4 or 5. We have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright, here another triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already given, so the 1 and the 2 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Let me mark this, 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check if we have quadra boxes in this puzzle. No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah, shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first shape that you need to recognize is this one. Let me draw this one here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shape. Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Here another one. Wow. Well, number 4. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But it can be a 1. We have a 1 here. So it should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. More of these kind of shapes? No. Oh, well. Correction. Here another one. Well. A lot. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. This is the last one. Yes, this is the last one. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Oh yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, It's a 4 then. Alright. More of this kind of shape? Not only one we have here. And the following shape, how about this shape then? I believe the last shape. We will see if this is the last shape that you need to recognize. Well, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. Then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So one box left with a 1 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So one box left with a 2 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. I marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We already have a 4 here in the same area, so this box should be a 5. Alright, this box can be a 2, this box can be a 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, so 1 that you left in this area for number 1. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. And these 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Then. Let me see. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area from the 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Okay. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be there. And the 3 goes here. Alright. Okay. Need to power my 5%. Battery, alright. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That means that those 2 boxes can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes. Oh wait. These 2 boxes can be a wait. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. And this box can be a 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 1, and those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area should be there. These two boxes. Oh wait, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left with a 1 in this area should be there. Let me think. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be a 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. Let me think. 3 and the 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 3. 4 and the 3. 4 and the 3. Yeah. And this box is connected with that box, will be so 4 and a 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I think this box should be a 5. Because can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, and can be a 4. We have a 4 there. Yeah, definitely a 5 is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Yeah, this box is also connected with that box, should be so 3 and a 4. But we already have a 4 here, so it should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. Is connected with this box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in the T-shape area for number 4. 1 box left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be, hey, wait, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Okay. We go down. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be there and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Wait. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a, oh wait, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Okay, yeah, this box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and I find another one in this area for number 5. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 4 stars? Hell no. 3 stars? No. 4 stars? No. It's a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. And we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 0 Sudokus. 0 stars, the 1 stars, the 2 stars, and the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, aka samurai Sudokus, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.